Welcome to our latest video. Today we are talking about top 15 best RC cars on Aliexpress under $300. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. All the links of the RC cars are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Introducing the MJX Hyper Go 1/14 scale 4WD RC car. This powerhouse of performance is designed to conquer any terrain with speed and precision. Featuring the MJX Hyper Go 14,209 and 14,210 models, this high-speed RC car is equipped with cutting-edge technology for an unparalleled off-road experience. With its brushless motor, the MJX Hyper Go delivers blistering speed and acceleration, leaving the competition in the dust. Plus, its four-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and control, allowing you to tackle even the toughest terrain with ease. Whether you're tearing up the trails or dominating the racetrack, the MJX Hyper Go is built to perform. Its responsive 4G remote control provides precision steering and throttle control, giving you the edge you need to stay ahead of the pack. And with its durable construction and shock-absorbing suspension system, you can push the limits without worrying about damage. The MJX Hyper Go is built to withstand the rigors of off-road racing, so you can focus on one thing: pure adrenaline-pumping fun. This RC car has 4.8 rating and 170+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Get ready to experience the thrill of RC racing like never before. Step up your game with the MJX Hyper Go 1/14 scale 4WD RC car. MJX Hyper Go, unleash the power of speed. Introducing the 120 light racing off-road vehicle. Are you ready to experience the thrill of high-speed racing with ultimate control and precision? Look no further. This cool car isn't just about looks, it's packed with features that will take your off-road adventures to the next level. Equipped with a high-powered motor and advanced shock absorption technology, this RC car can handle any terrain with ease. From rocky trails to sandy dunes, conquer them all with confidence. Take full control of the action with the included radio remote control. With precision steering and responsive controls, you'll feel like you're behind the wheel of a real off-road racer. Our innovative two-wheel drive system ensures maximum traction and stability, allowing you to tackle sharp turns and steep inclines with ease. This RC car has 4.9 rating and 280+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. And with wear-resistant tires, you can push the limits of off-road racing without worrying about flats or blowouts. Nothing will slow you down. Don't miss out on the excitement. Get your 120 light racing off-road vehicle today and unleash your inner off-road champion. The ultimate combination of power, speed, and precision engineering. Featuring the Wltoys XK 284,131, this RC car is built for high speed on road racing, delivering adrenaline-pumping excitement like never before. With a top speed of 30 km per hour, get ready to leave your competition in the dust. Equipped with a powerful 4GHz 4WD system, the Wltoys 4WD ensures responsive control and maximum stability, allowing you to navigate sharp turns and corners with ease. Whether you're racing against friends or perfecting your drifting skills, this RC car delivers an exhilarating experience every time. But that's not all. With optional alloy drift wheels, take your racing to the next level as you master the art of controlled slides and drifts. Dominate the track and impress spectators with your precision and skill. Perfect for enthusiasts of all ages, the Wltoys 4WD 1/28 scale RC car is ready to unleash its full potential at your command. Whether you're a beginner looking for excitement or a seasoned racer seeking a new challenge, this car is sure to exceed your expectations. This RC car has 4.9 rating and 100+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Get ready to experience the thrill of high-speed racing like never before with the Wltoys 4WD 1/28 scale RC car. Get yours today and unleash the power of precision engineering in the palm of your hand. Introducing the ultimate thrill seeker's dream machine. Behold, the 1/16 scale off-road monster truck. This RC car isn't just any off-road vehicle. Packed with features that push the boundaries of excitement, it's sure to leave you breathless. With its high-speed brushless motor, this monster truck can reach mind-blowing speeds of up to 50 km per hour. But wait, there's more. For those adrenaline junkies craving even more speed, unleash the full potential and reach a staggering 75 km per hour. Equipped with 4x4 capabilities, this beast dominates any terrain it encounters. Whether you're tearing through the desert sands or conquering snow-covered landscapes, the off-road monster truck delivers unmatched performance. But that's not all. This monster truck isn't just about speed and power. Its precision engineering allows for seamless drifting, making it perfect for thrilling races and adrenaline-fueled drift competitions. And let's not forget about the design. Sleek, rugged, and built to last, this monster truck is not just a toy, it's a statement. With its eye-catching design and durable construction, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. This RC car has 4.3 rating and 100+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Get ready to unleash the ultimate off-road experience with a 1/16 scale off-road monster truck. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or a newcomer looking for excitement, this beast is ready to take you on the ride of a lifetime. Don't wait, grab yours today and start your off-road adventure. Introducing the RC Car 8WD Off-Road. Featuring cutting-edge technology and unparalleled performance, this amphibious stunt vehicle is designed to conquer any terrain with style. With its 8-wheel drive system, the RC Car 8WD Off-Road delivers unmatched stability and traction, allowing you to tackle steep inclines, rocky terrain, and even water crossings with confidence. Thanks to its waterproof design, you can push the limits and explore new horizons without worrying about water damage. Take your driving skills to the next level with the RC Car 8WD Off-Road's agile performance and responsive controls. Whether you're racing against friends or mastering daring stunts, this vehicle is sure to leave a lasting impression. Equipped with a 2.4G remote control, you can enjoy precision steering and seamless connectivity, even in crowded environments. Unleash your inner adventurer and experience the thrill of off-road racing like never before with the RC Car 8WD Off-Road. This RC car has 4 rating and 180+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Don't miss out on the excitement. Get your RC Car 8WD Off-Road today and start your off-road journey. RC Car 8WD Off-Road, where the adventure begins. Introducing the 1/12 scale MN Model RTR, the ultimate RC car experience for enthusiasts of all ages. With its cutting-edge technology and versatile design, this RC car is ready to conquer any terrain. Feast your eyes on the features of the 1/12 scale MN Model RTR. This RC car replicates the iconic MN98, MN99 Defender pickup, with intricate details that make it look just like the real thing. Equipped with 2.4G 4WD technology, the MN Model RTR delivers superior traction and control, allowing you to tackle rough terrain with ease. Whether it's rugged rocks or steep inclines, this RC car is built to navigate the toughest obstacles thanks to its rock crawler design. Take full command of your RC adventures with the intuitive remote control, providing precise steering and throttle control. Made from high-quality materials, the MN Model RTR is built to withstand the rigors of off-road driving, ensuring years of exhilarating fun. Watch as the 1/12 scale MN Model RTR effortlessly conquers any terrain in its path. Whether you're racing through rocky terrain or blazing trails in the great outdoors, this RC car delivers unmatched performance every time. This RC car has 4.6 rating and 800+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Experience the thrill of off-road adventure with the 1/12 scale MN Model RTR. Get yours today and unleash the excitement of remote-controlled racing. Introducing the MJX Hyper Go 16208 updated version brushless RC car. This high-performance off-road racer is engineered to take your RC adventures to the next level. With its powerful brushless motor, the Hyper Go delivers lightning-fast acceleration and incredible speed, making it perfect for off-road racing enthusiasts. Equipped with 4-wheel drive, this beast of a machine effortlessly handles rough terrain, ensuring superior traction and stability in every race. And with its 2.4G remote control, you can enjoy precise handling and responsive control, even from long distances. Whether you're tearing up the trails or competing in adrenaline-pumping races, the MJX Hyper Go RC car is your ultimate off-road companion. This RC car has 4.7 rating and 100+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Experience the thrill of off-road racing like never before with the MJX Hyper Go. Get yours today and unleash the power of high-speed adventure. Introducing the Turbo Racing 1/76 scale RC truck, the ultimate miniature monster truck that packs a punch. With its compact size and full proportional control, the Turbo Racing 1/76 scale RC truck lets you conquer any terrain with ease. Whether it's rugged mountains, sandy beaches, or even your backyard, this little beast is up for the challenge. But what sets the Turbo Racing 1/76 scale RC truck apart from the rest? It's all in the details. Equipped with cool little lights, this mini monster truck doesn't just tear through the terrain, it does it in style. Plus, its realistic design and sturdy build ensure that it can handle even the toughest challenges. And with its fully proportional control, you have precision at your fingertips. Feel the thrill of real-time responsiveness as you navigate through obstacles and race to victory. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or a beginner looking for some high-octane fun, the Turbo Racing 1/76 scale RC truck is sure to rev up your excitement. This RC car has 4.8 rating and 100+ unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Turbo Racing 1/76 scale RC truck. Unleash the power and conquer the terrain like never before. Introducing the 112 scale RC car MN Model MN82 Retro, designed for speed, precision, and endless fun. With its full-scale simulation, the MN82 Retro brings the nostalgia of classic pickup trucks to the world of RC racing. Every detail, from its rugged exterior to its powerful 280 motor, is crafted to perfection. Get ready to experience the thrill of off-road racing with the MN82 Retro. Equipped with 4G HZ technology, you can race against friends without interference, ensuring smooth and responsive controls. Conquer any terrain with confidence thanks to the MN82 Retro's four-wheel drive system. Whether you're racing on dirt, gravel, or pavement, this RC car delivers unmatched performance. Perfect for beginners and seasoned RC enthusiasts alike, the MN82 Retro is simple to operate and offers hours of entertainment for the whole family. Experience the thrill of retro racing with the 112 scale RC car MN Model MN82 Retro. Order yours today and unleash the excitement of off-road adventure. This RC car has 4.6 rating and 470 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. MN82 Retro, where nostalgia meets speed. Introducing the RC Excavator 120 scale. Designed for thrill seekers of all ages, this powerhouse of engineering is here to revolutionize your remote control experience. Crafted with precision and built to endure the toughest challenges, our RC Excavator is the epitome of durability and performance. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious beginner, this cutting-edge crawler will leave you in awe. Unleash your imagination as you take full control of this engineering marvel. With its 4G remote control system, you can navigate through any terrain with unparalleled precision and agility. From conquering rocky terrains to digging through sandy shores, the possibilities are endless. But that's not all. Our RC Excavator is not just about power, it's also about fun and excitement. Perfect for Children's Day or as a back-to-school surprise, this ultimate gift will bring joy and adventure into the lives of your loved ones. Join the RC revolution and experience the thrill of remote control like never before. Whether you're a young explorer or a seasoned adventurer, the RC Excavator 120 scale is your ticket to endless excitement. This RC car has 4.5 rating and 300 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Get your hands on the RC Excavator 120 scale today and let the adventure begin. Don't miss out on the ultimate remote control experience. Introducing the ultimate off-road companion, the RC Rock Crawler. With its powerful features and rugged design, the RC Rock Crawler is ready to conquer any challenge. Controlled by a 4G controller or through the dedicated smartphone app, the RC Rock Crawler offers seamless control and precision handling. Equipped with a high-definition Wi-Fi camera, you can experience the thrill of off-roading from a whole new perspective. With its high-speed drift capabilities and 4WD double steering, the RC Rock Crawler delivers an exhilarating driving experience. Crafted from premium alloy material and featuring independent shock absorption, the RC Rock Crawler is built to withstand the toughest terrain. This RC car has 5 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Whether you're climbing rocky hills or blazing through dirt paths, the RC Rock Crawler's strong momentum and off-road performance will keep you in control. Get ready to unleash the power of off-roading with the RC Rock Crawler. Order yours today. Introducing the Sinovan RC Stunt Car, the ultimate thrill ride for kids of all ages. With its cutting-edge features and innovative technology, the Sinovan RC Stunt Car takes remote-controlled fun to the next level. Featuring gesture sensing technology, this car responds to your hand movements, putting you in complete control of the action. It's like magic. I can make it go forward, backward, and even spin around just by waving my hands. Whether you're driving on pavement or tackling rough terrain, the Sinovan RC Stunt Car's four-wheel drive and bionic spine ensure a smooth and thrilling ride every time. And with its cool LED lights and multiple modes, the fun never stops. It's the perfect gift for kids, boys, and girls alike. This RC car has 4.7 rating and 200 plus unit sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. So why wait? Experience the excitement of the Sinovan RC Stunt Car today and unleash your inner stunt driver. Sinovan RC Stunt Car, where adventure meets innovation. Introducing the E86 124 Racing Drift Car, the ultimate fusion of speed, precision, and style. Get ready to experience the thrill of high-speed racing and precision drifting like never before. With its intuitive remote control, you're in full command of every twist and turn. Whether you're racing on the streets or dominating the drift course, the E86 Racing Drift Car delivers unparalleled performance. And with its realistic lighting effects, the excitement doesn't stop when the sun goes down. Thanks to its four-wheel drive system and precision engineering, this car handles like a dream, making every race an adrenaline-fueled experience. This RC car has 4.9 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a beginner looking for thrills, the E86 Racing Drift Car is the perfect choice for speed enthusiasts of all levels. Get behind the wheel and unleash the power of the E86 Racing Drift Car today. Introducing the MJX Hyper Go 1/14th scale 4WD RC car. With the MJX Hyper Go, prepare to experience the ultimate in off-road excitement. This isn't just any RC car, it's a high-performance machine built for adrenaline-pumping action. Featuring cutting-edge technology and precision engineering, the MJX Hyper Go is designed to dominate any terrain with ease. Equipped with powerful brushless motors and four-wheel drive, this beast of a machine delivers unparalleled speed and agility. Whether you're racing against friends or tackling the toughest trails, the MJX Hyper Go is always up to the challenge. Take control with the 2.4G remote, offering precise handling and responsive controls. With a range of up to mention range, you can explore new horizons and push the limits of what's possible. This RC car has 4.9 rating on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. From rugged off-road adventures to high-speed racing thrills, the MJX Hyper Go is your ticket to excitement wherever you go. MJX Hyper Go. Unleash the power of adventure. Introducing the 1/18th scale RC Drift Car. With its eye-catching little lights, this 1/18th scale RC car isn't just a toy, it's a statement of style and performance. Let's take a closer look at its incredible features. Equipped with a powerful motor and rubber tires, this RC drift car delivers unmatched speed and agility on any terrain, whether you're racing indoors or outdoors. The 4-channel intelligent remote control provides precise handling and a range of up to 30 meters, giving you full control of the action. But what truly sets this RC car apart is its attention to detail. The body is painted with electrostatic spray, and the material of the simulated car is meticulously modeled for a realistic appearance. From its proportional simulation to its real manipulation feel, every aspect of this RC car is designed to immerse you in the exhilarating world of racing. This RC car has 4.5 rating and 10,000 plus units sales on Aliexpress, so that we recommend this RC car to you. Perfect for children and adults alike, the 1/18 RC Drift Car is more than just a toy, it's a passion for speed, precision, and endless fun. Experience the thrill of racing like never before with the 1/18 RC Drift Car. Get yours today and start your journey to victory. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.